Media is one profession that you can follow anytime. You may become an engineer, you may become a doctor, but the world is rapidly changing. You have to be, whatever you are doing, you need to sell it as well.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of A Conversation. I am Ayan from Mediashala Club, MRI Ludhiana, and today it's a privilege to be interviewing Ms. Payal Mohindra, the director of the Summer News. She's a dynamic media professional. Ms. Mohindra is also a certified trainer, author and a motivational speaker who has empowered and inspired countless individuals. Ms. Mohindra, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Ayan. How are you doing? Wonderful.
So let's dive right in. Ms. Mohindra, you have had such an interesting journey across radio, TV and live events. To start with, can you tell us how it all started? What inspired you to choose the media world as your path?
Okay, so what was my inspiration? My inspiration was that I always tell my son in particular that he would often ask me, Mama, आप stage पे जाते हो आपको डर तो नहीं लगता? क्यों नहीं लगता? So I would often tell him and my students as well that मैं तो जब stage पे जाती थी ना तो मैं छलांगे मारती थी. That space of stage, the fact that I'm going to own it, had always given me the base. So I think the profession, I did not choose the profession chose me. I was lucky enough to pursue my passion as profession.
That's truly inspiring. Now with the rise of social media, students today are natural content creators, be it through reels, podcasts or YouTube videos. So what's your advice to children who want to take their passion for media seriously and want to choose this as their career?
I think this camera, this exposure, saying hi guys and trying to be famous is age specific. Hold on, wait. Let them build their other skills as well. See, you need to work on your public speaking skills, and I think at school level, you know, following back to those traditional debate, declamation, and now you have MUNs, you have extemporary speeches. Stick to those. First, hone your skills. You know, media is okay now. Now, media is one profession that you can follow anytime. You may become an engineer, you may become a doctor, but the world is rapidly changing. You have to be, whatever you are doing, you need to sell it as well. Yeah, you need to be articulated, you should be able to express your thoughts to people. So you would need public speaking skills in any profession. But just to grow up thinking that मुझे तो सिर्फ social media influencer ही बनना, I do not approve of that. Look out for options and probably you may excel in a certain profession and start building your content based on that.
Now shifting your role to a life coach and a motivational speaker, you may have come across students of different age groups. What's one common challenge they often share with you and what's your advice that you give them to overcome it?
See, you have to understand that challenges faced by a toddler to a grown-up boy to a preteen, even to teen, right? Even if you compare a preteen to teen to an adult to a youngster, challenges are different. And then comes your geographical indications, right? So the area that you're from, your upbringing, they all, I think play a pivotal role in shaping your personality. So whenever I life coach someone or I become a mentor to someone, I always keep those things into consideration, and accordingly, I would guide someone. So I think what we don't understand is that every age group is distinct. One has to respect that, understand that, focus on that, and act accordingly. No generalizations, please.
That's such practical wisdom. Being able to express yourself in today's world is more important than ever, be it online, in class, or even on stage. Can you share 3 to 4 simple tips for students to become better communicators?
Now that's a detailed question. And again, I think first and foremost, number one, if you ask me, is just not number one randomly. It's in order. Number one is be yourself, own yourself. Secondly, I think my book also you have like I've authored 2 books, A Part and Apart, and Who Will Clap When You Talk, or who could just slap when you talk. Not like the literally slap, but like वो इसको चुप करा लो, क्यों बोल रहा है, क्यों बोल रही है. I think second is also mentioned in my book is content is the king, presentation is the queen. So that will answer your question further. I can guarantee you a lot of Indian students can speak much better in terms of content, in terms of Renan Martin's English, even than Renan Martin's land. I can guarantee you that. Why? Because our education system is such, it's very strong, right? But what we have done is we have, as India was invaded by the British, so we had been following the Western culture mindlessly. I think it's time now to come back to our roots, own ourselves, and get the best out of our own culture. So just be rooted, work on your content. And the third thing is your presentation. Now that's a diverse domain altogether. I can go on and on. I can take about 12 hours, or I can talk about till tomorrow morning the same time, non-stop for 24 hours. The topic will not end. But if you really want, the details are in my book. Part 1 and the first part of part 2 are they all talk about the presentation skills. So yes, these are the 3 things that you need to know about.
Absolutely. That is amazing. Lastly, in today's fast-paced world, filled with distraction and peer pressure, staying focused is a real challenge. How do you personally stay motivated?
By reading books, by making a conscious decision that if I'm on Reels, because Reels is an algorithm and they're addictive, they hold on to you, they cling on to you, and then you will not realize you will be entangled in their web without even intending to or realizing it. So I think first and foremost is there's nothing like yoga. Yoga se hi hoga. So at your age, you may or may not understand what I'm going to say right now, but I'm sure the parents will associate. So I see 2 different versions of me. When I am doing yoga, when I am not doing yoga. And by yoga, I don't mean the power yoga of losing weight now. Yeah, the power of mind. Kapalbhati, pranayama. Trust me, there are miracles. There are miracles in it. And if your generation could realize it, at your age, honestly, my daughter doesn't do that either because it's very boring. But for adults, this is really important. Yoga se hi hoga.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your story and wisdom with us. Let's wrap up with a quick rapid fire round. Are you ready, ma'am?
Always.
What's your favorite medium? Print, broadcast, or online?
Print, anytime, any day.
What's one quote you live by?
Again, I have to talk about quote. It's by Albus Dumbledore, of course, by J.K. Rowling. So it says, it's our choices, Harry, that decide what we become far more than our ability. So choose wisely.
One thing students should stop doing today.
This whole fad of hi guys, taking the phone and doing hi guys. Don't do that, guys. Stick to basics.
One thing that defines you best. Or a word.
There are 2. One is chutzpah and the other is perseverance. And these words are difficult, so let me decipher these for you. So chutzpah means extreme self-confidence and audacity, and I think I have that. And the second word is perseverance. Never, never, ever give up.
One word for Media Shala.
Fantastic. Give it up.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your journey and words are a true motivation for all of us at Media Shala. We hope to stay connected and keep learning from you.
Thank you so much.
Until next time, this is Ayan signing off from Media Shala. Stay curious, stay creative.